An intervention this evening by the chairman of the People's National Party, PNP, Fitz Jackson, as things appear to be getting out of control by the camps representing the two candidates for the September 7 presidential elections. It will be the battle of the two Peters, Dr. Peter Phillips and Peter Bunting. But there's been an ongoing war of words between the two camps, prompting concerns that this will hurt the party. TVJ's Janella Precious have the details.
It's a long way to September 7 and already the battle for the top post in the People's National Party PNP is getting ugly. The candidates now referred to as First Peter and Second Peter. Dr. Peter Phillips and his One PNP campaign being the first, and Peter Bunting under his Rise United theme is the second. Both men have been wooing PNP delegates in the various parishes, but things are not only getting heated on the political platform.
When a man says, what is Peter Phillips' role? Peter Phillips' role is different from my role. Because Peter Phillips is now the goalkeeper, and me and Andre and Emmins and Fars, we are the forward. What's the responsibility of a goalkeeper? The goalkeeper is to make sure we don't lose. The forward is to go and make sure we win.
I hear my vice president tell me, say, footballer play, and him my striker, and Dr. Phillips are the keeper. Well, when we go down to Southeast St. Mary, we get one. We go over Portland and we get two. And if we are not two, love, the coach are going to make a change. I could have money.
But on social media as well, this repost by PNP caretaker candidate for West Portland, Valerie Nita Robertson, now in the spotlight. A supporter of the incumbent PNP president, Dr. Peter Phillips, criticized Peter Bunting, stating that he served as National Security Minister and wilted under pressure to the extent that he, quote, cried publicly. The June 26 repost, also likened as a set-on mongrel dog, utterances made by Mr. Peter Bunting and his, quote, main speaker, which, according to the post, sets the tone for a nasty and bitter campaign. Now, that post has since been removed, but the constant back and forth in the public domain has prompted the intervention of the PNP chairman, Fitz Jackson.
I have heard of some of the comments being posted in social media, and the persons responsible, I want to ask them to desist.
In light of the internal contest, an oversight committee will be put in place to ensure that the campaign is clean and fair.
We are going to put in place some rules of conduct by the candidates and their respective supporters. But once again, I want to really beseech my fellow comrades. Remember, all of us will have to fight together to protect the People's National Party and to protect the Jamaica from the Jamaica Labour Party.
On Sunday, the Rise United campaign released its own code of conduct where supporters were warned against, among other things, using hateful language, which incites violence towards the opposing candidate, including in speeches, social media posts, and slogans. Janella Precious, TVJ News.